Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? It's Mother Eagle here. I just wanted to check in. I hope everybody is fine. Thank you so much for all your wonderful messages. I do my best to respond to you. And if you're waiting for a response, I'll get to you as soon as possible. And today, our topic is next level. I hear that word a lot. We all want to go to the next level. But what does it really mean to you? What does a next level mean to you? What are you trying to do? Where are you trying to go? How are you trying to get there? Have you ever taken the time to actually comprehend what you're asking for? You know, I was thinking about it the other day. We think a lot lately, right? Don't only think with your head, but also feel in with your body. Because sometimes when you're thinking just with your mind, if you're very analytical, you'll argue yourself in, argue yourself out, and still fail to make a decision. But when you feel with your body, sometimes you will know, you're trying to make a decision, then you're having all that butterflies in your stomach. That's a sign, check into it a lot. Anyway, thinking about the next level, there has to be a paradigm shift. And a paradigm shift in thinking or approach is just a fundamental change of the basics of how you do things, of the assumptions you're basing all your decisions on. For example, maybe in a society you can have the assumption that as soon as you graduate school, you get the big job and get the big house and get the dog and the 3 kids and the marriage, all in the first 2 years. I'm just making this up, right? That may be the assumption. And then you find yourself maybe not accomplishing all those things, and you're wondering what is wrong. Maybe nothing is wrong. Now you may have to get a paradigm shift in order to approach things differently, meaning you break down that basis, the assumptions you've been making, that as soon as you finish college you get that big house in the first 2 years, right? So your new assumption may be something like, okay, when I finish school doesn't end there. Then there comes personal learning, lifestyle. You become a long life learner. You learn new things, figure out how you want to live, whether you get the business or you have the big house or you get the marriage, So you change the overall basis and the overall assumption of how things work, and that's the paradigm. The problem is most of the assumptions we have, we've grown up with them. The generations past have lived on these assumptions, and it worked at that time. Right now, some of those assumptions don't work. So we have to rethink most of the things we are doing and uprooting those assumptions into something different to get that paradigm shift, then move to the next level. That is where the real work comes in on yourself, because you'll have to take personal responsibility without blaming the generations past or the generations to come, and take real steps to change your paradigm. Usually the way life has it, it may force you to change paradigm just by life circumstances. For example, if you've been broke for so long, you may be tired and disgusted of being broke that you force yourself to change the paradigm. You go out searching for personal finance information. You start developing personal finance habits. Maybe you're saving, you're investing, you're managing your money and making sure, you're not overspending. Things like that to help you change into the new assumptions you have acquired. And in the process, you find yourself going to the next level. So when you're thinking about next level, think that things are going to change. You have to be open to receive new things Be open to implement the new things you have received and be able to stick to the new things. Keep trying, because they will not come natural to you. You'll find yourself in situations where you're like, oh my God, this is so new. Should I be afraid? Oh my God, it's way easier if I just stay in the same old. But you know that same old thing is not working anymore. So you don't want to stay there either, right? So when you're thinking about the next level, think that you should remember there will always be a paradigm shift, and a paradigm shift just means changing the assumptions that you already knew, your fundamentals. They're going to change to something different. Whatever that something different is for you, that is up to you. Well, as always, this is Mother Eagle. Leave your comments below. And some people were asking me for more videos. Well, we have a YouTube channel, so check out the YouTube channel. It's Life Then Finance. Then check out the website mothereagle.net or lifethenfinance.com. There are so many videos. Our archive is full from way back 2011. So you can never run out of information. And remember, we learn by repetition. So keep learning, implement, share, teach others what you're learning, so that it can be cemented and concreted into you, so that it's second nature. As always, I love you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.